One of the most misunderstood spark plug types is the multiple ground electrode spark plug. This spark plug design has been used as original equipment by automobile manufacturers since the 1970s, first appearing in Mazda rotary engines. The design has been adopted by other manufacturers throughout the years, mostly European and Japanese brands. Today, NGK offers 2, 3, and 4 ground electrode spark plugs for vehicles which originally used this design. The multiple ground electrode design was first used to aid in preventing carbon fouling. Other manufacturers later adopted this design to allow for longer spark plug change intervals due to the more even dispersion of spark plug wear. One of the myths about multiple ground electrode spark plugs is that they fire more than one spark at a time. Laws of electrical physics just don't allow this. The spark plug will still only fire one spark at a time, occurring between the center electrode and any one of the ground electrodes. The increased durability and fouling protection provided by multiple ground electrode spark plugs often comes at the cost of ignitability. Because of the increased electrode mass in the combustion chamber, the flame kernel can only expand so far because some of the heat energy from the spark is lost, which can reduce or even extinguish the flame kernel. Because of this, most vehicle manufacturers have switched to long-life, single-electrode platinum and iridium-tipped spark plugs, which provide superior longevity and performance. For more information, please visit us at ngksparkplugs.com.